This is the PAR-21 Mitsubishi Electric AC thermostat, which is suitable for Mr.Slim and Citymulti VRF models. So now I will explain you how to make the weekly timer setting from this thermostat. So timer setting we can make it like morning 9 o'clock on or evening 5 o'clock off, like that. So automatic the time setting we can make it. So this is total 3 step have. So for the first step you need to remove the cover. Then first step you need to make the clock function, make it on. So you need to press this mode and timer on off button, these two buttons, press the same time. Then it will blank here the change language. So then you press this again the mode button until coming mode selection. Once the mode selection is came, then press this timer menu button. So here it will come weekly timer. So it should be the weekly timer. If it is some other, you need to make sure, because some other timer function also have auto off timer, simple timer, and so this is the timer mode off. So here it should come weekly timer. So until you press this button, so it will change. Once its weekly timer came, then press this again the same button until the clock function. So this clock should be on. If it is off this position, you should make it on by pressing this timer on off button. So this is the thing, you need to make it clock function on. Then only the weekly timer functions will work. Okay, once you press this one, press this back button, it will go back. So again it will go back. So now you need to press this mode and timer on off button again the same time, press this both, it will go back to the normal screen. So this is the normal screen. So now we checked the clock function is on or not. From the factory to it will delivered by default it is clock function is on. But someone, if they change the clock function off, you need to check it is on or off. Okay, so this is the first step. And the second step, you need to set the current timing today, current time and day. Now here actually 15:20 and Wednesday.
This is the correct time, I think.
Yeah, which means now 3:20 for Tolas format, evening 3:20 p.m. If you want to change that time, pressing these two buttons, it will change. Once you press this timer clock, then it will come time set enter. So here you can make it this, pressing this button, it will change the time. This two button again, if you press, you can edit the time, what time you want to set it, current time. And day, for the day, the above, the timer on off button, when you press this one, day will change. So today is a Wednesday, so I make Wednesday and 3:20. So this is the current time and day. Once you make current time and day by pressing these three buttons, then press this filter button to save this one. Once you press, it will blink 3 times. So this means it's already saved. So for press this mode button to go back normal screen. So this is the second step. So we completed second step. So last step, third one. Here actually you need to set the on-off timing. So for this one, you press this second one, timer menu button. Press this one time. Again you need to press the same one. It will come like this. Time set enter, and down it will come number 1. So this one maximum 8 setting have. Per day you can make it total 8 setting. 4 time on or 4 time off. Like that you can give timing. For this one, number 1, I will make number 1 is on time and number 2 is off time. So number 1 on time, For example, I will make it morning 9 o'clock on time. By pressing this timer clock button, it will change the time. So this is the 9 o'clock. So which means morning 9 o'clock and on. By pressing this button, on or off we can select. So it's on. And temperature, which temperature want to work that time. So for example, if they require 21, so by pressing this temperature button, it will change the required temperature, and this is the on time 9 o'clock, and this is for whole week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. If you want to select whole day or only one day like Sunday, Monday, that also possible. This is the one day, Monday, Tuesday, like this. If otherwise, again press the save button, it will select whole week. So press this on and timing 21 and on. So this is whole week, 9 o'clock on time, and temperature is 21. So press this filter button to save this one. When you press, it will blink 3 times. So number 1 is done. So number 2, here for this number 2 changing, you press this 2 button. It's mentioned down is operation. Pressing this 2, it will go number 2. So here set the timing, which time you want to off. For example, I will give you evening 5 o'clock off time. 5 o'clock means 24 hours format. 17.
17, yes.
Okay, yeah. 17 and off. That's it. Number 2, day, whole week, timing is 17, which means 5 p.m. and off. So then press this filter button to save this. So number 1 I make on time, and number 2 is off time. So like that, number 3, number 4, you can make it by your requirement. So once you make this settings, then press this back button to go normal screen. So here it should have to, you can see here timer, and that timer function is like disabled options. Make sure it should be disappear. So then only it will work timer function. If it is appeared, it will not work the timer function.
How to change this one?
So
if you want to cancel this one,
to disable this timer symbol, just press this button, third one, timer on off. Once you press, it will disappear.
Yeah.
So make sure it will be disappear. If it is appear, it will not work the timer functions. Okay. And if you don't want timer functions, just press this one. It will not work. So by manually need to come and on every time. So if you need again, just pressing, it will disappear, and then it will enable the timing functions. So that's it. For 1, 2, 3. So 3 steps if you need to follow for the weekly timer.
Okay.